channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Thuyl. Welcome to my channel, girl. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some brand new products. I'm going to be doing some first impressions of the new e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer. I'm also going to be testing out the brand new matte and metal liquid eyeshadows. And I'm creating this really nice bold green makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I actually just put on my foundation. I used the new Face Tape foundation by Tarte, which I just filmed a review on. So we're going to be carrying on the video with some more brand new products. If you guys want to see that video, it's already live on my channel. So it is concealer time, and I got this huge PR package in the post. This is from e.l.f. and they've just launched some new concealer. So we're going to be testing that out live in today's video. I literally just got this in the morning, so I'm on it with the reviews, guys. Oh god! Okay, so this is the Camouflage Concealer, and it says it's a 16-hour wear. So when I was looking at the shade range, I couldn't find my exact skin colour shade. So if I have a spot or something, there's none of the colours that can actually match my skin, which is a bit annoying. So on the side here, it has a chart of like cool undertones and warm undertones. And I felt with the warm undertones, there's quite a huge jump in between each colour. So if you guys look here, it goes from fair, warm to light beige. Like, why is anything called beige in the warm undertones, girl? You need to rename that. It needs to be more like a sand or something. Okay, so we're going to try out the light beige first. First impressions of the concealer. I like the component that it comes in. And the applicator of this really reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape. Could this be a dupe? So this concealer says that it's full coverage, long wearing, and lasts for 16 hours. Okay, so I'm going to apply this on underneath my eyes. Oh, she's got a lot of coverage. So I haven't even dipped back yet, and I've literally done 2 of my under eyes, which is really good. And I'm going to do a little bit on my chin, a bit on my nose, and I'm going to go in the darker shade. I'm just going to use this to do my contouring around here, my big old forehead, my cheeks. I'm literally just like buffing this into my hairline. I have a whole video dedicated to just highlighting contouring and do's and don'ts of all of this cream contour. What's the difference between powder contour? That's already on my channel, so go check that out. I like the colour of this one. It's not too reddish and it's not too olivey. Okay, and then just underneath my eyes, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender and just buff out the rest. Oh my god, it's not blending out. Oh my god. Do you guys see this? It's not blending out. Oh my god, what am I going to do? I'm going to have like stripes all over my face. I've never had this happen before, guys. I'm literally pressing so hard to try to blur out the edges. So with this concealer, I think because it says that it lasts for 16 hours, it literally sets. So maybe if you guys try this concealer, do not apply on those thick stripes like me. Maybe do one eye at a time. Normally that's what I do with all my other concealers, but don't do that with this one because it literally sets and then you're not going to be able to blend out the edges. This is really annoying because now I'm going to have to move around all of my foundation underneath. Oh my god, my nose has gone patchy now. So can you guys see all of this? I'm trying to literally blend out that concealer and it's left my nose so patchy. Oh my god, what's up with my lips? Ah! This is a disaster, guys. Look at my nose. What am I going to do? It's literally not blending out. So I just applied a little bit more of the concealer and I'm blending it out straight from the tube so it hasn't had time to set yet. Oh my god, it's just left like a really white mark. I've never had anything like this before, guys. I'm literally so shocked. Okay, so I just tried to blend out as best as I could, but I wanted to kind of clean up the concealer a little bit, and even the concealer isn't budging. Like, I'm trying to like press on top of it, try to blend it out. It ain't budging, girl. It is there for the long haul. So we're just going to roll with it. Not going to lie, it does look quite cakey on my nose. So I definitely regret doing that little stripe there and trying to blend it out and stuff. It's a little bit of a shit show at the moment, but it's okay. We're going to keep it rolling. Anyways, we're going to go back into higher end stuff. And I'm going to go in with the Dior Invisible Loose Powder. So this is in the shade Light Beige. I think they only have 2 shades in this, which is a bit annoying. Okay, so I'm just taking whatever is on the lid and I'm just applying this on my forehead. I'm just literally trying to set everything to take down the shine because I'm quite shiny at the moment and I want it to be matte in the centre. This looks hella patchy now for some reason. Oh my god. Doing my trick of applying powder on top of it to blend out the patchiness. Okay, so I just got some new brow products from Urban Decay. So they just launched a new pencil and on the other side it comes with a little ink stain. This collection is designed to be like super long wearing brows. You guys know that my brows are tattooed on already, so I literally just follow this shape and I just flick it up at the front and draw in some more hairs, because at the front I have like hardly no hair, unfortunately. So we're gonna go in with the new brow blade. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the pencil and literally just outline my brows. I have a whole video on how I do my eyebrows already if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on that. But the pencil is actually really nice. It's super creamy. And this is in the shade Dark Drapes. It says it's a waterproof pencil. Oh, God. Okay, so I'm just filling in the ends of my brow. Just like that. It's quite a nice colour, actually. And then on the other side, I'm going to take the little ink stain side. And I'm just going to draw a few hairs in at the front, just to like feather it up a little bit. I'm just doing really short strokes. This brow brush is really nice. It's really lightweight. You can do like the smallest flicks with this. Okay, so my brows are on. I'm literally so impressed with that brow pen. It literally does the exact type of brow that I love, like a full-on snatch brow, a little bit of fluff at the front. So really impressed. I feel like Urban Decay kind of fell off the planet for a while because I haven't heard anything from them in ages. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the eyes, my favorite part of my makeup, but it's the bit that takes me the longest, so let's go. So I got this in the post, and this is from Hudabeauty, and she just launched some brand new matte and metal liquid eyeshadows, which is so cool. So these are the new colorways for the new matte and melted eyeshadows, which I'm super excited about. Not gonna lie, when she kind of teased this with like a black and white image, I was like, oh, she might bring out like a dark smoky brown, like a nice smoky black, but nope. She brought out really nice and bright shades, which I think is really fun as well, and very unexpected for her because I never see her wear bright eyeshadows at all, really. There was this one shade that really caught my eye, and it's the shade called Minted. This is the colour that she wore in her promo photo of this new collection. I was like, oh, I need me that colour. Okay, so on the eyes, I'm literally going to put this all over the inner third of the eyelid. Oh, the colour. Oh, the colour is so nice and bright, which I love. And these are so long wearing and super waterproof as well. Okay, so I'm literally just buffing out the edge just so that it's not like a harsh line. And then I'm just going to put some more on my eyelid and build up the colour. I'm just literally like patting it on so that it kind of keeps as much coverage as I can. Sometimes with these creamy products, it takes ages to blend out. Okay, so on my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. I got sent this in PR, and I know Natasha Denona is so expensive, and I've tried one of her palettes on my channel before, but this palette really caught my eye. Oh, look at it. It's got such nice golden tones to it. It's got like a pop of this dark kind of tealy colour, which we're going to use, and I love these other matte shades in there as well. Okay guys, I might zoom you in for the tutorial. Let me know if you guys like the zoomed in effect, or do you prefer a bit more further away so you can see the overall photo? Let me know. Okay, is this close enough for you guys? Is it a bit scary? Let me know. So I'm going to go in with this shade called Python. The formula is not falling out everywhere, which is amazing. Normally I find with coloured eyeshadows, whenever I like tap on it, like there's so much fallout. And I'm literally going to buff this on the outer corners of my crease. It's the first time using all of these products, so let me know, do you guys like seeing first impressions? I've been really feeling the love on my YouTube recently. I feel like I've been doing the back to basics on my video. I've been trying to do more reviews. Yeah, I've just been trying out new things on my channel, and I'm so glad that you guys are really liking it. It's a great feeling. Oh, this eyeshadow is so nice. It's not patchy at all. What, for the price, you better not be patchy, you bitch. I really want to try Pat McGrath eyeshadows. Are they good? Have you guys tried any Pat McGrath? We don't really have her here in the UK, I don't think, because she's available in Sephora. I haven't tried any of her stuff. Do you guys recommend it? Let me know. Oh, she pigmented. Oh! So I'm literally just buffing this on the outer corners into like a V. A very buffed out V. Almost like a C, you know? Okay, so I just buffed out the outer corners. The only thing is I find it's quite hard blending the dark colour into the green, because this is like a cream eyeshadow, right? So it's like nothing to blend because this is all set now. So I'm just going to pick up the Hudabeauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I haven't used this yet because when it came like this. Anyways, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this colour here, just to blend in the two shades. Just in the middle here. And I just feel like that's just going to help it blend in a bit better. You see that? It just helps the fade a lot more smoother and it has more of a gradient to it. It's just annoying that we have to dip into so many different eyeshadow palettes, isn't it? Just for that one shade. There needs to be a palette that has all of the rainbow in it, but like really good quality. Not patchy. Hint, hint. Yes, bitch! Blend the eyeshadow, bitch! Blend it, blend it. Okay, so just to blend out this crease here, because this is quite a hard transition, we want it to be always soft and really blended. So I'm going to go in with this shade here called Teak, which is just like a light transition shade. You can also go with this one here as well, which is a bit lighter. Okay, and I'm just going to go around the edges, and this is going to be a soft transition shade. I normally start with a transition first, but I wanted to change up this tutorial, and now I remember why I should always start with the transition, because now I feel like this transition's gone up too high now. It's going to be right to my brow bone. Oh gosh. And it just gives that soft fade back into your skin tone and help blend everything together rather than this harsh line. If you guys don't want this kind of like brown tone near your brow bone, you can also go in with that lighter green and just blend it so that it kind of stays more like a bright, pungent green tealy eyeshadow shade. But I do like a bit of brown blended in with the green so it doesn't look as harsh. Okay, and then just underneath my eyes, I'm going to take that colour along. This is a little brush from like a Dose of Colours palette. How cute is it? It's adorable. I'm going to take a bit of this shade again, and then I'm just going to run it underneath my lash line. So remember when you're doing the bottom lash line to always look up into a mirror. I have a mirror here, and I look up, because when I'm doing it like this, I can't really get up in there. So if I look up, I can get right to the root of the lashes. Tweeze tips, hey! Okay, and then I'm just going to blend a little bit of this dark brown just underneath it, just so that it has a bit of like a smoky kind of edge to it. Okay, so I'm just going to try something out. Maybe use with caution. Do as I say, not as I do situation. But I'm going to go in with one of the matte metal in Limelight. And there's this shade that I really love the look of. It's like a bright yellow. Oh, it just looks so cool. And I really want to put this along my lower lash line. If I come out blind, at least give this tutorial a like, you know what I'm saying? Just make it worth the struggle. I don't know if you actually meant to put this inside the waterline, but I'm going to anyways. I'm just touching this on my waterline. Oh, it's actually going on really nicely. I'm not dragging it, I'm literally just touching it. Oh! Oh, it worked! That's good. Oh my god, it's gone in my eye a little bit. It's a little bit blurry. Okay, so we'll do the same on the other eye. Oh my god, that went in my eye. It went in my eye! Ah! Oh my god, there's a big lump in my eye. I got it out, guys. That was scary. The things I do for beauty. If you have sensitive eyes, definitely do not do this. Okay, so on my eyes, I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to go with the Kat Von D Inkwell liner. And you guys know I have a whole video on how I do my eyeliner already. I'm going to start out by doing the flick. And then I bring it back inside. And then I'm just going to join it up in the inner corners. Okay, so I just zoomed out so you guys can see the full picture of the eyeliner and everything. I think it looks really pretty. But I feel like the look is quite matte. And we like a matte eye, but it's Thuy's channel, so you guys know I like a bit of shimmer. So I'm going to go in with the colour called Gold Chains, 2 Chains. I'm clearly not cool because I have no idea who the hell 2 Chains is. So I'm going to go in with the other side. I'm just going to dab a little bit on my inner corners here. Super nice and bright. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a brush just to get that light bit on the inner corners. Oh my god, it's quite hard to blend out. That literally just stuck to wherever I just put it. Oh no! So just to finish off, I'm going to stick on my lashes. This is Tarte lashes. So it goes quite short on the inner corners and a bit longer and wispier. So it kind of blends in with the eyeliner a bit more. Okay, so I just applied those lashes on and they actually look so nice and fluffy. Tarte lashes is like a new brand that I just figured out. I've never tried anything from them before, but their lashes are actually so pretty and a nice change to my normal Lily lashes. Okay, so that's the eyes done. I'm just going to quickly pop on a lip and call this tutorial a wrap because it's been going on long enough if you ask me. So I just received some new liquid lipstick from Dominique Cosmetic. This shade is called Nude Kiss. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it straight onto my lips. It smells nice. The applicator is like more of like a doe foot heart, which is quite cute. I like it. This colour is darker than what I would normally go for, but it's actually really pretty. Okay guys, so I just finished off this makeup look with some hoops and some diamante studs from a brand called Kitsch. Super bougie. I see everyone wearing these kind of like cool clips, so I was like, let me just join in for a second. So if you guys like this tutorial, please give me a little thumbs up and leave me a comment down below on what other videos you want me to film. Let me know, do you guys prefer the more neutral tutorials with the brown kind of undertones, or do you prefer more bright colours like this? Let me know. Feel free to message me on all my other social media platforms. It's just xThuyLe on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, enjoy the bloopers. Face tape review by NARS. By NARS, this is Tarte, oh my god.
So you clean up to make more of a mess.
Can you get out please? It's so annoying. I'm trying to be in the bloopers. Jesus. I'm trying to get your 5 seconds of fame. Oh my god, where's my sponge? Ah, I can't find anything. Oh shit, so itchy. Ah, pat that weave, pat that weave. I'm not wearing weave, but pat it anyways. Fuck off. That was so messy.